Mutada, because I don't hearing, a very cold voice get out from your throat. Like, come on, man, don't press the button. Just give a 2 cents. No, man, I just only This is sometimes Musramalikot, like sometimes my hearing come and goes. Come and goes is in Musramalikot. But this is I have question only one. If governor should will ban government should will ban social media nowadays, what will you do about that? Just hold on a second. Will you demonstration in front of White House?
I think
or what will you do about that?
I think everything that the people do, they have their own reason. Yeah. And governments, we're just going to ban the social media. So for also a big reason. I think it's gonna be a great reason because it's gonna be very fantastic.
Yeah.
Because it's a very big action. To ban social, to ban social media, this is kind of big action. That's why I think behind this action, there should be a big reason. I think that's why I cannot assist that. I cannot judge that that the government is doing this by nothing. They must be doing this by something else, by something greater than the social media. But as we see just know that they are not banned it yet, right? Because I think they don't have the reason, bigger reason than social media. That's why I think the social media is still very important to them. But if they don't think that social media is very important to them, then it should be banned.
Alright, Mr. Mutada, that is make me so very totally I'm on a cloud 9. That is make me very totally satisfied in my mind. Your explanation very awesome. Thank you.